Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Raghav Gupta. I'm the Managing Director of Coursera in India and Asia Pacific, and I'm delighted to be here among such a vibrant community of academia from around the world. On behalf of all Courserians, it is my pleasure to welcome you to Coursera's global virtual conference on building the university of the future. As many of you know, we launched Coursera for Campus exactly 1 year ago in New Delhi, right on the heels of Gandhi Jayanti, which is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The father of the Indian nation envisioned a society where everyone has equal access to opportunity. And education is clearly the key to that opportunity. Our vision for Coursera for Campus was to enable the global education ecosystem to prepare students for the fourth industrial revolution. And clearly a lot has changed since then. Over the last 7 months or so, the pandemic has posed unprecedented challenges to higher education and also placed a spotlight on the need for accelerated innovation in our industry. Through this difficult period, Coursera for Campus has served thousands of universities and millions of students around the world. And we have all learned a lot in the process. We planned today's virtual event with the objective of sharing these learnings with you and to hear from leaders of academia on the innovations and changes they are driving for this new world. We have many attendees from all over the world today, and I welcome you all once again. Thank you for joining us. Before I get us started, a few quick housekeeping items. The event is roughly about 2 hours, and we will conduct 3 main sessions. We are recording the event, and we will make the recording available to you over email after we wrap up. And I'd love to make sure that we have an interactive 2 hours. I'd love to ask you to please introduce yourself in the chat window that you see at the bottom of your screens by sharing 4 things. If you could share your name, your title, institution, and country that you're joining us from. We'd love to know where people are coming in today. And lastly, we have an exciting lineup of speakers, and you can ask them questions in the Q&A window that you see at the bottom of your screens. I will try to take as many questions as we can, and also many members of the Coursera team are here to answer your questions in the Q&A window itself. With that, let me quickly go through the program for today. And as I said, we have 3 main agenda items. The first is a keynote titled Universities of the Future, COVID-19 and Beyond, which will be with Coursera CEO and one of our senior directors of product. After that, we will move to a fireside chat titled The Digital Transformation of Higher Education. And this will be Coursera CEO Jeff Maggioncalda talking to the director of IIM Calcutta, Professor Anju Sheth. And then a panel discussion with academic leaders from around the world who are joining us today, titled Building the University of the Future. And we'll have Coursera's Chief Enterprise Officer moderating this panel. And then I'll come back in towards the end and close us out. So that's the broad plan for the event. And before we get started, let's do a quick poll so that we get to know you a little bit better and get the interactivity going as well. So very simple question, which continent are you joining us today? Are you in currently? If you could answer that, here are the choices that you have. And I'll give you just 20 seconds to share your answers, and we'll look at the responses quickly. All right, let's bring up the responses. So a lot of people joining us from Asia, about 60%. And then I see we have North America well represented and Europe as well. And then Africa, Australia, and South America. It's so exciting to see so many people from around the world joining us. Thank you so much again for being here.